Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can stay private when looking at other profiles on LinkedIn, so that you're searching for someone and the search result doesn't show up on the other person's profile. Now, it's a very easy process. Let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is go down to your preferred browser, head down to linkedin.com, sign into your existing account, and from there go down to me right here in the middle of the screen. Now use this drop down menu to hover over to the settings and privacy, open up the settings and privacy tab, and here we go down to the left where the visibility tab is at. Now here you can already see the profile viewing options. Simply open this up and here you have three options. The first one, you're not private. The second one, you say only the business owner in the retail industry, and the private mode is nothing can be seen by the search results. Now, to keep it in private mode, simply change this and that will be it. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.